We started this project in different places, with different routines, but we had one thing in common. We didn't want just another idea. We wanted to build something with real potential.
Hi, I'm Marisol Sayam. I started out in software engineer, but and I got into graphic design.
I adapt to any space to keep creating, and I always find a way to organize ideas and build something that makes sense.
Hi, I'm Sarai. I study business administration, but I've always loved beauty and creativity. I turn what I feel into ideas that connect. In a team, I adapt. I can organize, lead, or focus on the details because everything I do has to feel intentional.
Hi, I'm Ellen. I come up with a lot of ideas, just not always at the right time. They usually show up when I least expect them.
I study graphic design, so I don't do things just to do them. I need them to mean something. I question things, and yeah, I can be demanding because I want what we create to truly connect.
When things got complex, what guided us the most was always going back to our purpose. Not just creating something that looks good, but something that actually makes sense for the user. At one point, our idea looked good, but didn't feel right, so we questioned everything and rebuilt parts of it. We didn't keep ideas just because they looked nice, we kept what actually added value. One of our biggest challenges was distance. We were in different countries with different routines. Sometimes it made coordination a bit harder, but we learned to adapt. We stayed in constant communication and used digital tools to stay connected and keep things moving. That's how we keep progressing as a team.
From the beginning, we didn't want just a good idea. We wanted something that could grow and evolve over time. Something people could actually use in their everyday life, not just something that works once. More than the result, our goal was to build something meaningful and feel proud of what we created together. What really defined us as a team was how we supported each other. At one point, I was going through something personal, and instead of pressure, there was understanding. We listened, gave space to every idea, and respected how each of us works. That's what allowed us to keep going together.
Through the process, we faced many things we didn't fully understand at first, especially on the technical side. But instead of holding back, we leaned into it. We shared, test, questions, and adapt constantly. We weren't afraid to be wrong because that's how we learn faster. And that mindset allowed us to transform uncertainty into progress.
At the end, it wasn't just about the idea.
It was about how we learned to work together.
And that made all the difference.